Here I have OPPO Reno 10x zoom, and today I'm going to show you how to switch camera mirror effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon, go to the advanced settings, and here you have flip selfie. So when it's enabled, we have to switch to the front camera. Now let's take a photo like this, and now let's take without this feature. And as you can see, these two photos are mirrored. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.